Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up new password if you don't have one already, or how to remove existing one from your Windows 10 operating system. So first we will go left click on Start and here select Settings. In Settings window, go to Accounts. Here on the left side, go to Sign In options. I already have password on my Windows, so here under the password section I have Change. So I will click on Change. Here I need to enter my current password. Next. And here for new password I will leave all these fields empty and select Next. Finish. And now my password has been removed from Windows. If you don't have password on your Windows, you will have this Add button under the password section. So select it and here you will add new password. So repeat it and select password hint. Select Next and finish. And now your windows are protected with password. So this is one way to add or remove your password. Now I will show you second way how to add or remove password. Go to Start and this time you will right click on your Start and select Computer Management. Expand this Local Users and Groups and click on Users. Here on the right side you will see all users that are related to this operating system. On this computer my username is this, just me. So I want to add or remove password on this account. So I will left click to select this account and then go right click and select Set Password. On this message just select Proceed. So because I already have password, now I'm removing it. So I will leave these two fields empty and select OK. And now I removed my password. So to set up a new password, again left click to select this account and then right click and set password. Again Proceed and now type new password. Confirm and select OK. And now password has been set. So this was two ways how to add or remove password on your Windows operating system. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I see you in next video. Bye.